What are the signs that indicate a clogged or dirty filter in my Whirlpool top-load washer?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to discuss an important home appliance topic that can save you time and money: how to recognize the signs of a clogged or dirty filter in your Whirlpool top-load washer.
Why is recognizing a clogged filter important?
Understanding the signs of a clogged or dirty filter is crucial to maintaining the efficiency and lifespan of your washing machine. Filters can become clogged with dirt, lint, and other debris, causing your machine to work harder than it should. This can lead to poorer performance, increased energy costs, and even potential damage to your washer.
What are the signs of a clogged or dirty filter?
Now let's look at the most common signs that your washer's filter might be clogged or dirty. 1. Reduced water flow. If your washer seems to be taking longer to fill up or the water flow is noticeably reduced, it could be a sign that your filter is clogged. 2. Incomplete or longer cycles. When the filter is blocked, the washer may struggle to complete its washing cycles. It might stop mid-cycle, or the cycles might take significantly longer than usual. 3. Poor cleaning performance. If your clothes aren't getting as clean as they usually do, a clogged filter could be the culprit. 4. Unusual noises. You might hear unusual noises such as humming or buzzing from your machine. This could indicate that the water pump is working harder due to a clogged filter. 5. Error codes. Some Whirlpool washers may display specific error codes when there's a filter issue. Refer to your user manual to understand what these codes mean.
What can I do if my filter is clogged?
If you notice any of these signs, it's recommended that you check and clean the filter immediately. Most Whirlpool top-load washers have easily accessible filters, but you should always refer to your user manual for exact instructions on how to do this. Regular maintenance can prevent these issues from occurring and help your machine perform at its best. And that's it for our video today. We hope this information helps you keep your Whirlpool top-load washer running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, noticing the signs of a clogged or dirty filter early on can save you from more complicated and costly issues down the road. Stay tuned for more helpful home appliance tips. Happy washing!